Evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I'm Ayushi Manas and I'm thrilled to welcome you all to another exciting session of TechBairn Talks. For all those of you who are new here, TechBairn is India's fastest growing platform. We're all about bridging the gap between classroom learning and world skills. With industry aligned programs in AI, tech, and business, and partnership with top global companies, we're here to help students and professionals accelerate their growth. Today, we are delighted to welcome with us Unnati Singh. She's a skilled software development engineer and experienced in data processing and machine learning. With past experiences in Eugene AI, Altia Strategic Consulting, she has worked across full stack development, cloud technologies, and automation. She enjoys learning new tools and tackling challenging tech problems. Today, she'll be sharing with us her perspective on the future of web development in 2025 and beyond, a topic that is highly relevant for future developers, engineers, and tech enthusiasts. Before we get started, a quick note. Please feel free to drop your questions in the chat box at any time. We'll have a dedicated Q&A session in the end. Over to you, Unnati.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Okay, so myself Unnati and I am a software engineer at Turing. Okay, I'll give you a brief introduction about myself, but first I want a simple thing from you guys. Like anybody of you can turn on your camera so that I don't feel like I am talking to a computer or a machine. So that would be great. And okay, so let me get started. So I have done my BTech from NIT Hamirpur and CSE, and after that I got on-campus placement with Eugenie.ai, and the off-campus placement I tried, it's for Turing. So I decided to go with Turing, and I did internship with Eugenie, but then I accepted the full-time offer with Turing. Okay, so here it's been like let's you can say almost 2 years of my experience, and I've worked on a lot of technologies, a lot of campaigns, a lot of clients. So one of our clients were OpenAI, so I have worked for OpenAI as well. So and apart from that, I am currently a part of Turing's internal team, and so yeah, that's basically about me. And apart from this, I am also a co-founder and CEO at craftintelligence.tech. So what craftintelligence is, we are a company, like you can say we are a service based company, and we provide developers to our clients. So our clients comprises of fractal analytics, Esper.ai, and some of the Australian companies like Easlaw and Cron Health. So there are number of clients with us. So I'll share the link with you guys as well, so that you can also apply as a developer, and we'll map you according to your experience to the to our clients. And we provide a very good package, you can say, or we can give a very competitive salary. So that's one thing. So let me just share my screen and let's start our topic, that is the future of AI, the future of web development, sorry. And like till then, you can also go to craftintelligence.tech and you can make your profiles. As you can see, this is the name. Okay, so what's future of development? So basically, let's talk about the present and the past. So what present of web development is, like what we are doing, we are basically learning things like HTML. Like a student would start by learning HTML in the first month, then CSS, then slowly to JavaScript, then slowly to React.js, then other technologies, right? Then MERN stack and all. So what this is what we did, like in past, like we slowly grabbed each and every, we can say tech stack, and then moved on to the another, and then fully we became web developer, or we can say a full stack developer, that who have experience in both front end development and back end development. So that's pretty much the past of web development. Now let's moving on to the future of web development, we can say. So what's the future? We can say the future is, like, we all are saying that AI is coming. Okay, so there are different perspectives. So somebody will say AI is used to completely make a web application, so we don't need to learn WebD. So that's not the case. That is totally not the case. The case is we should understand how to use AI, so that our work will be done in a faster pace, but not like we can totally cannot depend on AI, because once the code is broken, then we cannot understand like where the problem happened. Okay, so yeah, this is the page regarding web development and web developer. So you all know the difference between these. Okay, so types of web developers, there are front end people. So there's a full stack generalist as well. So these all are different types of people with us in the web development field. Also there are UI UX designers as well. So okay, let's move on to the version control. So we know that version control is a must, right? So we should know like version control is like we are using GitHub or we are using Git, so that we can collaborate with the people. So we can make any project in a group, right? So I think I stopped sharing my screen. Let me share it again. Or yeah, it's shared. Okay. So let's move on to the next topic that I was talking about, that is web development with AI. So what I am going to tell you people is that always, like what we did previously, we learned things in a very slow pace. Like we took months to complete one topic and then move to another topic, right? So now what we can do is we can take small learnings about any project, any tech stack, and then we can directly dive into creating a project, because now we have a model with us, we have an assistant with us. What we can say is, so these AIs are assistant, not a whole developers are us, and these are our assistants. Okay, so what a person can do is, like you can do, like you can learn all the tech stacks that are prerequisites as a web developer. Let's say React JS, fast API, and for UI UX you can learn Figma, sorry. And then what you can do is merge all these things and then go for it. Like you can create a project, you can take help from AI by learning things from it. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, or you have anything in your mind that you want to build and that's not currently like a, you can say like currently there is no such technology to build that thing, so you can also contribute in that way. So that's the future of web development, we can say. And then AI tools are these, you all know, like in the present day we all have done work with the we can say HTML, CSS, and like we have done work with all these things without the AI and with the AI as well. So like we are in that generation, but the generation that will come after us, they'll not have that much experience in the we can say the raw code that we can write. So now let's move on to the next page. So future of web development, yeah, what's next in the digital? So it's like everything is automated. So let's say when we go on to a page, or when we go on to a website, we get automated emails, we got automated signed in. So these all technologies, like most of you people are not aware of these, like how can we do that? So instead of googling different things and then grabbing information from different sources, we have only one source with us, that is AI, and we can totally rely on that. But the thing is, we should not be over relied on things like this. We should always be a much understanding in that field, that like yeah, up to this point we want to learn from the AI, and up to this point we need AI. After that, it should be you and your sole responsibility that will take the website, or that will take the project ahead. Okay, so let's move on to the main topic, that is roadmap for full stack web developer. So that's the main thing, because everybody knows like how to use AI, how to learn any technology, but there are many things like what to go from basics to advanced level. So I have written here as well. So basics, we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then according to the different layers, we have front end, back end, DBs, and then deployment. Then in those layers we have multiple technologies, and everything gives different we can say different services to us. So according to the project need, according to our company needs, we can go ahead with this. So basically I am a you can say I'm a backend developer mostly, but I have done front end as well. So I am both backend and front end, so I'm a full stack developer. Okay. And in backend also I have most of my experience in fast API. So I you know I it's my day to day work to to work in that technology. And all these things are like familiar to me. I worked on all these things. And then for more opportunities that I told you guys, you can also log into craftintelligence.tech. There is a section where you can create your profile. Let me take you there, then I'll show you. um, okay, so this is craftintelligence you can say homepage. So you all can see like there are, let me just, okay, this is the homepage. And you can see like there are testimonials of our clients as well, testimonials of our developers as well, like what they liked about us. You can see these are testimonials and more to be added. So we are a fast growing company. And like now we are targeting MNCs, Google, Microsoft, and companies like rubrics. So we'll go to these companies and we'll try to make them our customer, and so that we can align people like you as developers there. So in the, you can in your profile section, you can create your profile. You can uh, put your details over here, so that we can see through the form that you are eligible for which kind of um, client. So that's about it. And yeah, let me just go to the PPT. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. And I hope you guys like my presentation, like the way I taught you. I told you like these web development opportunities in future, and how we can collaborate it with AI. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. I am open to take questions from you guys. And yeah, let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, so you want the connection, my connection ID. Okay, let me just, you can search Unnati Singh, and also I'll share the link with you. Okay, so here it is. And also at Craft Intelligence, I can assure you like we are hiring like 10 to 15 members every month, because it's a fast growing company. So every day we get a new requirement from our existing clients as well, and from different clients as well. So do create your profiles there. It would be very helpful for you as well, and for us as well, to find good developers like you. And if I'm not mistaken, you are all students, or you are also developers in other companies. Let me know about it, because I think like it's a student call, and that's why I'm explaining in that much detail. I see somebody is typing in the chat. You can also unmute yourself if I'm not mistaken, like if you guys are allowed to unmute. I'm not sure. See, there are no questions, so then we can wrap it up. You can, I feel like you guys are very much maybe shy, so let me just post my uh, email ID with you, so that you can reach out to there as well. And if you are reaching out to me from my mail, then don't forget to tell me like how was the presentation, how did it went, so that I can know. And yeah, you can always share your questions with me. Okay, so somebody asked will release of new design tools, especially powered by AI, remove the need of UI UX designers. Like the tools are cost and time efficient. Your words about it. Okay. So basically, the thing is like we tend to believe this, like in the world of AI everything will be misplaced with robots instead of humans, but that will never happen. Because like let's understand it in the perspective of economics. Like if humans are not earning, then who will be the consumers? So no job will be taken of developer, or you can say, or the designers. Only the thing is it will be incorporated. So like in Turing as well, like till last year we guys were writing raw code and everything, but after the release of GPT and everything, like cursor, then we were told to use these things so that we can took you can sorry, we can take as much of as advantage from these tools that are designed for us, and the company will also get the profit. So the thing is these tools are designed for us, only for us to use. So if you are a UI UX designer, then it like AI will not know like what to make. So a person like you, like Suhail, a person like you will be telling the AI that I want this type of design, and the particulars about the design, and the UI will the AI will create something like that for you. So it will always be a, you can say, couple of agent and the developer, and never be the only the agent will be working. So it's never be like that, that jobs will be taken and all. Can you suggest some project ideas or domains that a beginner can try with web development and will add value to the candidature? Okay, suggest some project ideas. Okay, so when I was in the college, I created Jarvis, as you know, and that was a very common thing that everybody does. So you can go with that because it will give you a basic understanding about, you can like the speech recognition and everything, and how things work with the AI. So that is a good project. Or if you want a very basic, then you can like simply start with a to-do list as well. Like to-do list seems to be very easy when we hear this, but not. It's because like first you will create the, you will understand the design in your mind, like what your to-do list would should look like. There will be a search functionality, there will be a functionality to create to put new list, new things in the list. So that's how you will design the APIs. So you can use anything like fast API or Node.js for your backend, and then front end React.js or Next.js, anything. So what you can do is first design, like understand the design of the API structure, like how the API should look like, and then go for the UI design. So you can do this very like sitting while thinking of something. So you can just do it first, taking idea from your imagination, like what should the website should look like, and then going ahead with the backend first and then the front end, so that you can deeply understand how all these things work together. So that's a basic suggestion from my side, because this looks basic but this is not that basic, because you will be understanding what like how to work with backend or how to work with front end, and also you will be storing the details in your database as well. So I forgot to mention that, because when you are preparing a list, when you are editing in the list, when you are updating the list, so a database will be involved. So yeah, this will be a very good project to start with. Then can you suggest some project ideas that beginner can try that can be eye catcher in his or a resume? Okay, for resume, okay. So there are plenty of ideas. Like if you can see around ourselves, there are many ideas. You can, like, idea itself is a word that is originated from somebody made something, and then you are taking idea from it, and you are making something from your end. So one thing that can catch eye is that a terminal. So you can create a terminal, like let me explain it in a very clear way. Like, we have a terminal in Mac or in our laptops. Okay, so what the terminal do is, when we write any command, it will show us, like, when we want to see the directory, when we want to go to a directory or something like that. So it is a basic CLI, right? So what you can do is, you can create a virtual terminal or something like that, that should operate with your voice, or operate on a special kind of use case or a scenario. That will be a very eye-catchy thing, because mostly people don't think about that. So yeah, you can do that. Or there are many things, like something in webd, or yeah, there are many things. So I would suggest this virtual terminal thing, and it will be great because this is unique. Oh, thank you, Srimati. Okay, any other doubts, anything you want to ask from me? I got a lot of DMs on LinkedIn, like every day I got 200 plus requests and many referrals, or you can say many questions. And I try to answer everything as, as much as I can. But there are always, people who left like the messages. I cannot see every message. So it's a very good opportunity for you guys. You can ask anything from me. It's like I have taken time for this meeting only, so that I can properly provide my time to people who are seeking for it. So yeah, please go ahead. And if not, then please drop a thumbs up or something, so that I can know, like, it was a great presentation, or it was a great, uh, we can say, interaction with you. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay, so I see there are no more questions now. Then I
Yeah.
can.
If anybody has any other questions, please drop them right now. We'll wait just 1 minute and then we'll be moving forward with the end.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Satish.
I want a favor from you. Actually, me and my friend generally designing course AI course for students of class 10th usually, and students from year 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. It's basically a course of how to use AI beneficially, means just not working on it, but using the AI, using its full potential. And we are thinking of, means we have designed it, we have made websites through it, ppts, and so many things for the example. And we are going from school to school to just employ it to the schools. And we are going to the students to make our this idea uh, public, or means I'm a little bit
Yes.
uh, this is my first time I'm speaking to someone who is a stranger, but I'm trying to express the things. Generally, we have researched 2.5 months and designed an AI program for the students. So, what do you think? Will this work? Means we have searched the market. There is, means no kind of no such things who provides these kind of things, like a proper session like you are taking. We will take the proper session to from one to one, and teach them how to use AI well, means till its full potential, not just using the chat GPT and perplexity or these things of AI for our school answers.
Yeah, got your point. Like, you are saying that you are building something like a course that you can provide to
Yeah.
the, yeah, or a student, so that they can learn how to use AI to its full potential, right? That's what you are.
Mhm.
Okay, so first
Yeah.
of all, kudos to you that you speak spoke to me. So that's very good
Yeah.
of you, because
Uh,
that's starting, like these meetings are like starting for you guys, because I was the same person like you. I used to fumble a
yeah.
lot. I used to think a lot, like what the other person would be thinking. No, it's not like that. It's very basic
Uh,
thing, like we talking in person. Okay, so yeah,
yeah.
let me get back to the question of yours. So the thing is, schools are now implementing these things that you are saying. Like my mother is teacher, and she used to tell me that like the schools have already came up with these ideas, and they are taking.
They they have came with this idea, but we have found one thing. They are feeling lack of things, means from whom they can get it. They are thinking of these things, but they are not getting the things, means they are not getting, मतलब उन्हें वो रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा है कहाँ से वो चीजें शुरू करें या किससे वो चीजें इम्प्लीमेंट करवाएं.
Okay, so yeah, I got your point. So let me answer it. So one thing I'm saying is, a few schools have already started this trend. Ki, let's start AI in their courses, because AI is the future. Everybody knows this, right?
हाँ. हाँ.
What the thing is, there are plenty of customers in the world. There are many providers, you can say.
Yeah.
So when you
Yeah.
buy a SIM, it's not of a one company. There are many companies, right? So your
Yeah.
idea is very good, I am saying, because there are many different localities you can target. Not everywhere we have these courses. So your company or your idea can reach out to those places. Okay, so I'm saying is, like when we were students, we had computer science as our subject, that we used to go to the lab once in a week. So
Yeah.
all you guys were there, right?
Mm.
So now the tables are turned. Now instead of computer is also there, but AI is also included in their courses. So it's a very
Yeah.
good idea. You can go ahead with
Uh,
this.
Ma'am,
And hmm,
just 2 or 3 days ago, CBSC has introduced AI curriculum for classes 6 to 12. But the main thing is that as we have read the subject computer, so in our computer from class 6 to 12, there was no such a kind practical from which we can feel that we are using the computer. We are just doing like learn the answer, write in the exam, and just got the marks. They are just doing it like that, means implementing AI like question and answers. They are not going to uh,
that's a very good point. So yeah, we need somebody like a person that should, like, you guys can charge much, but then your quality will be very good. So
yeah,
you
we have talked to means 5 to 10 schools, and from 5 to 10 schools, one school is ready, and we are working on it, and we are working on ourselves too much, that going from better to better and better to better.
okay. So what's what you guys are charging from them, or what they are expecting from you? Can you tell me in detail?
Yeah, we are generally our this structure means this course is in 3 levels. The first level is the first level charge is 500, the second level charge is 1,000, and the third level charge is 10,000. The third level is generally for schools. The first and second level is generally for students, means a personalized student. Like you are taking this we will also we are going to start it from the December 1st of December, and we will also take the personalized lectures. We will tell them how to use the tools, and after telling to them, we will give 1 or 2 days to implement these tools, and work on the things we have taught to them.
And yeah, what's the duration of this course? Like
30
500,
days. 30
30
days.
for
Yeah.
all these courses, like the level 1 to
No,
level.
no,
Mhm.
no, no, no. Only level 1 and level 2 courses.
Okay, and level 3 would be of how much?
Level 3 courses are generally we have talked to schools, and schools are ready, but from the new session, means April. So we haven't decided the due date of level 3 courses. Means
Okay.
it has a 4 to 6 months time.
Yeah, that's good, because school will pay you in bulk, because there will
Yeah,
be many
yeah,
students. So yeah, that's a very
yeah.
good. So you have the people with you that will who will go to the school and will take the sessions, or you are
Uh,
hiring
yeah,
those.
we actually we both are first year college students, and working on it, joining new people to team, providing them the proper things from which they can learn ourselves. And after that, first of all, we will take there's a kind of seminar or classes to teach them in the schools. Means we are making our team to teach in the school, not a common guy. Means not uh, means a school can't hire them anyone for teaching our courses. It's
Got
like
it.
that.
It will be a third party service. Okay, got
Yeah.
it. So yeah, that's a good idea. So I was like I was having this conversation with you because one thing, you will be confident enough after our conversation that you can talk like in a
Yeah.
meeting or something. And second
Yeah.
of all,
Yeah.
I found it a very good idea, and that's why I wanted to know much about it. So yeah,
Hmm.
okay. So it
So
is clear now. Hmm.
means the problem which is coming with us, that when we are going to school, the main thing is that the school are not uh, able to uh, uh, provide the trust enough on us, because we are college students of first years.
Yeah, that
This is the
happens.
main problem we are facing.
Okay, okay. So that happens, but you guys have your website or your portfolio ready with you that you can.
Yeah.
So, like, I would suggest keep. Yeah, I would suggest keep these things handy, some documentation, some agreements with them, and a proper professional way of talking, so that they can, they can trust you guys. Also, try to provide them the people that will be, taking the sessions. Maybe you can give free sessions to them, like 1 or 2 sessions will be free, in which only teachers will be sitting. And then if they like it, then they can hire from you the course, they can take it from you. So that is also a good thing, because in that way they can have trust on you guys, and you can also build your trust. And yeah, that can work. Also try to make your app, your website, so that they have much trust in you guys. Also, can I know your college, like from which college you are? I'm asking like from which college you are from, Satish. Maybe you are on mute or something.
I guess he's having some network issue. He's unmute, but we are not able to hear him. Maybe he will join back.
I think there was a connection problem, I think.
Okay, no issues. Okay, so I was asking from which college you are, like.
Actually, I'm from a private engineering college, United Group of Institutions, is in Prayagraj, and my friend is from IET Dev, Indore.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it. Okay, so your colleges are also good. So I was asking, like they'll also see from which college you are from, and that will provide you the advantage to move over.
Uh,
So yeah,
yeah.
that's a very basic thing. Apart from that, idea is great and execution should be great also. So yeah, keep going in
So,
that
ma'am,
direction.
I was asking that if it work or not. We are just first trying to make numbers, like connecting through students. Means one-to-one connection, going to students, telling them about our courses, presenting to them some of our great work, and then try to connect us about a good number of students. And in April, or after connecting these students, we have a data, or we have a number which we can show to the schools, that these are the students who have done our courses and they are doing great. So how is it? Means is it good to go to schools, means as a level of trust?
Yeah, that is also good, but in that case you will be, going in loss, because you will be
Uh,
teaching the students for free. If I'm not.
no. It's not free. It's chargeable.
Okay, it will be chargeable, then it is good. Yeah, you can start
Uh,
from online first.
Yeah.
let school reach out to students personally, and you can provide personal
Yeah.
guidance to them. So yeah,
Hmm.
this is also a good thing. First, you can set up your business online, and then move to schools and show them your works and the certifications you will be providing to the students. And yeah, there will be many proofs to show to the schools. So
Yeah.
yeah, also a good idea.
Uh, kind of means any loopholes from your point of view?
Loopholes are like, schools are, we are living in a society, or we tend to
Yeah.
live in a society in which people do not get the importance of anything once it is, lost.
Yeah. Yeah. We
they
have faced.
they will, yeah, they will not understand like what AI is doing or anything, because if if a principal or a director is involved in AI stuff, then he or she will be like, yeah, this is a very good idea, they can move ahead with that, right? But if a person is a very, very non AI person or a non tech person, then it will be a tough thing to convince them that this is the future, or else.
Means we have taught too many schools. We have seen that they are ready to innovate. Means, but they are unsure about how. Means they are not even. They don't even know that how they will uh, means implement these plans.
Okay, so you can, uh, like, the one more thing that came to my mind, it's like when we want to sell something, any idea or
Yeah.
any
Yeah.
product, then first thing we
Yeah.
need to create the, requirement of it, or we need to create the
Yeah.
usage of it for other
Yeah. Yeah.
person. So like,
Hmm.
if you are selling a glass of to me, like a water bottle to me, then you will first, create the requirement for me, like if I am thirsty, or if I need water for a long journey or something like that, right?
Hmm.
And like, I will not think in that way, so same school will not think in that way, that they'll be needing AI. You will create the requirement for them, you will teach them that, like we used to teach computers to our students previously, now other schools are teaching AI. So now
Hmm.
it's your time to also innovate with the schools. So you can
Hmm.
create some things like that, that you can take examples from those schools that have already implemented these AI
Yeah.
courses.
We have gone to a school named Little Flats School.
Sorry to
The
intervene.
principal of
Hello.
the
Sorry to intervene. Satish, we are running out of time. Okay. So I guess Unnati has already provided you her email
yeah, yeah,
ID
yeah,
as
yeah.
well as
I
the
can
LinkedIn
understand it.
profile. So later on, you can also connect with her on LinkedIn, and maybe you can discuss this idea. I really appreciate
Okay,
what you are
sir.
working on, and
Okay, sir.
Unnati is also like very much interested in all these things. So
Yeah.
you can connect with her, and yeah, you can connect with us also. We can also help you in some way possible from our end. Okay.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है सत्येश. Meanwhile, if you're having any last question, you can ask to the Unnati. And Unnati, I guess you can connect with him later on. I guess he's having some bigger ideas and all, right? And we are already running out of time.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Like, other people are not asking anything, so Satyesh is
Yeah,
like,
I'm also seeing it.
yeah. So if anybody has any doubt, you can go ahead. Yeah, we are running late.
And Satish, where you are based out of, from where you are operating this startup, by the way?
Actually, I'm operating it from Prayagraj, and my friend is operating it from Indore.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
So you are trying to integrate this coding and AI stuff into the this
Means no,
school curriculum
It's not
syllabus,
about the
right?
coding. It's generally
Mhm.
for students of till class 12. Means no coding. AI, the future of AI, how they use AI beneficially. Means for their benefit.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. You can try your school, the school from which you have done your schooling. At
Yeah.
least they will be having some trust on you.
Yeah.
You can start from there. Otherwise, see, school, colleges, and all. These are there is a certain management hierarchy is there, right? If you know,
Yeah.
they will only listen to you if you know someone from there. Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Mm.
the company, there are 50, 100 companies like you. They will not listen to what the
Yeah.
idea you are bringing and all, right? Because
Mm.
daily they will be getting 10 meetings with
Yeah.
the different people. So try to find some contacts over there in that particular college or
Yeah.
school that you are
We
planning.
we we
Otherwise,
have
in India, no one will listen to you without any contact. Okay.
yeah, we have done it.
That's a good point. You can go to your school or your college first. Yeah, that is a
Mm.
very good point.
Yeah.
The startups and
Uh,
all are very hard. It's not easy. It's like a cut through. You need to iterate. You need to work very hard. Then only you can get a client. Okay. It's not easy.
mm.
It's very,
Yeah.
very hard.
Yeah. I have seen it.
Okay.
Means going day to day, and the day is like one more day is wasted.
Okay. Okay,
So
Satish.
no.
Satish, so
Okay.
no
Thank you,
issue.
ma'am, and thank you, sir,
No
for
issue. You can
this
connect
great
with.
conversation.
You can connect with Unnati later on. Maybe she can be some help. Can provide some resources. Can help you in any way possible. Right. So you can connect with her on LinkedIn. Okay. Meanwhile,
As
Unnati, I guess we have got another question uh, from Purnima Singh, I guess. Can
Can
AI foundation development done using the web development and tools? You can pick it up, Unnati. Thank you so much.
okay, Roshan. Okay, can an AI foundation development done using web development and tools? Okay, so are you asking if we can build AI from WebD tools? Like, I'm not sure. Or we can build website from AI. Like, I'm not sure what this question means. If like both things can be done either ways. So from WebD tools, like WebD tools are what? Basically React.js, fast API, and then databases, and like plenty of other tools. You are asking about that, right? So we can create AI agents using that as well, and we can create websites from AI agents as well. So yeah, that's about it.
Okay, does anybody else have any questions?
Okay. Okay, I see there are no questions, I believe.
Okay, we'll move forward with the ending then. Thank you so much, Unnati, for this incredibly insightful session. I'm sure everybody has picked up some great takeaways. If any one of you is interested in exploring the industry aligned courses offered by our company, please feel free to reach out to our team or visit our website at www.techbairn.com for more details. And also, before you leave, please make sure to fill out the feedback form, the link of which I'll share in the chat right now. Your feedback is really important to us and it helps us and keeps your participation recorded. So this will be the end of today's session. Thank you so much, Unnati, again for joining us and sharing your expertise. And of course, a huge thank you to all our audience for being so engaging. Until next time. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Please
Thank
fill out the form.
And also please fill the form for the craftintelligence.tech as well. So it will be a great help for us as well and for you as well. And thanks all for joining this session. Okay.
Yeah, guys, you can just fill up the form. This is important for us to important for you all guys to fill up this as you will be getting the certificate of participation from this form itself. If you're not filling this form, you will not be getting the certificate of participation for the Tech Talk event that you guys have joined. So please do fill up the form, and after filling up the form, you guys can drop off one by one. Okay, thank you so much for attending the session. Hope this session was helpful and will add some value to your career or your life. And make sure to follow us on different social media handles also. Okay, I have provided our website address in the link. You can visit us also. You can explore the different kind of programs and courses that we offer, from AI to web development to competitive programming to cybersecurity, all the domain, we provide different kind of programs. Okay, maybe our team will also reach out to you in future if you are having some requirement or anything related to that. Okay, so you can fill up the attendance form and one by one you guys can drop off. Thank you so much for attending. Hope to see you guys, some of you guys, in our next event also. We keep organizing such kind of event on regular basis on every weekend. So please be the different kind of a speaker with different kind of expert in their particular industries. Okay, I guess. Thank you so much, guys. I guess we can drop off. IUC, we can drop off. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for joining, everyone.
Thanks. Bye.